And we're back to learning Inkscape in here, day 125. Let me show you the next mode of the spray tool, the third one right here. That's for spraying objects on a single path. The first one I've shown you already. It's just to spray copies. The second sprays clones, and the third also sprays copies. But there's a little bit of a difference. You can see the top row was created with the first mode, and the second was created with the third mode. And with the third mode, it's actually a path that's been created, and all of these ellipses are placed on top of it. So you can see that here 48 nodes. This is just how many ellipses are there now on this path. So use the first mode when you just want to have copies, and use the third mode when you want to have these objects aligned to a specific path. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.